Hi students, welcome to my channel Doctor's Physics, and in this video we are going to study about the topic significant figures. Okay, what are significant figures? What is the actual meaning of significant figures? Now observe carefully. I will give a small example. This is 5 centimeters and this is 5.5 centimeters. Now I am using this scale to measure a length of a rod. Now when I am measuring the length of the rod, I got the reading as like this. The reading I got between 5.2 and between 5.3. Now what is the value of this length of this rod? It may be 5.2 centimeters or it may be 5.3 centimeters. Okay. Now see, the significant figure meanings means the digits which will give me absolute value. 5 is absolute. In this 5.2, 5 is for sure. The length of the rod is 5 something. That means 5 is compulsory digit. Plus one uncertain digit. It may be 2 or it may be 3. Answer may be 5.2 or it may be 5.3. That means in 5.2, if I take 5.2, in this 5 is a certain digit, that means absolute correct digit, where 2 is an uncertain digit. Therefore, significant figures gives me in a measurement. Significant figures are the digits. Significant figures are the digits which are absolutely correct, plus one uncertain digit. The significant figures are nothing but the digits which are having absolute correct value. 5 is absolute correct value plus one uncertain digit. Now we will see this 52.15 centimeters. In this 52.15 centimeters, I will say that 52.1 is an absolutely correct value. 52.1 is an absolutely correct value. But 5, it may be 5 or it may be 6 or it may be 4. I don't know. The values may change. This is not perfectly correct value. It may be, there may be some error in this 5. Now see here, it may be 5, now I took 5.2. 5 is absolutely correct, but 2, it may be 2, it may be 3, or it may be 1 also. We don't know. That means this is uncertain. Same here. 52.1 is absolutely correct, where 5 is a uncertain value. Therefore, number of significant figures are absolutely correct values plus one uncertain value. Therefore, how many? Here I will say it as 4 significant figures. Here how many? Here I will say 2 significant figures. Now see here, 52.154. Now, I will say 52.15 is absolutely correct values, with the last digit is nothing but a uncertain value. It may be 4, it may be 5 or it may be 3. But these values are 100% correct. Therefore, number of significant figures are absolutely correct values plus one uncertain value. That means 4 plus 1 is 5 significant figures. Okay, to find the number of significant figures, there are few rules. Now we will see the rules one by one. Rules. Rule number 1. According to the rule number 1, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. That means 58.4. How many significant figures? All are non-zero. Therefore, 3 are significant figures. Now in this 52.4896. Now how many? Here all are non-zero digits. Therefore how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are in this having 6 significant figures. Now if we take one more, 89.189. Now how many significant figures? All are non-zero digits. Therefore, significant figures are 5. Okay, we'll see second rule. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. That means 58.2, how many significant figures? 3. 58.02, how many significant figures? This is 0. This 0 is between two non-zero digits. Therefore, this is also significant. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. Now, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, how many significant figures? These zeros are between two non-zero digits. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, significant figures are 6. 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 5, 0, 2. Now, how many significant figures? If I take these zeros, this 0 is between two non-zero digits. Even this 0 also between two non-zero digits. Even this one also between two non-zero digits. Therefore, all zeros are significant figures. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 significant figures. Now, rule number 3. Zeros left side of the significant figures, that is nothing but zeros left side of the non-zero digits. Zeros left side of the non-zero digits are not significant. Remember this, they are not significant. Zeros left side of the non-zero digits are not significant. Now here, see here, 2, 0, 1. How many significant figures? This 0 is between two non-zero digits. Therefore, how many significant figures? 3. Okay. 0, 2, 1, 0. Now, say me. This 0 is left side, entirely left side of the non-zero. This is 2 is a non-zero digit, but it is 0. This 0 is left side. Therefore, this is not a significant figure. Therefore, number of significant figures are how much? 3. Now, say me. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. How many significant figures? These two zeros are significant figures. Why? Because they are between non-zero digits. But these two zeros are entirely left side of a non-zero digit. Therefore, these two are not significant. Therefore, how many? These two we should not count. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. Now, 070.01. Now, say me. How many significant figures? If we take these two zeros are between two non-zero digits. Therefore, these two zeros are significant. But when I take this zero is entirely left side of a non-zero digit. Therefore, this zero is not counted. This zero is not a significant figure. Therefore, how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. Now, we will see a fourth rule. Zeros right side of the non-zero digits. If the zeros are right side of non-zero digits, here we have seen left side, but now I am seeing about right side. Now here I have to follow 2 steps. First one is, if the digit is with decimal point, or if the digit is without decimal point. If the measurement is with a decimal point, then these right side zeros are significant. If the digits are not with decimal point, then these are not significant. Now observe carefully. 19. How many significant figures? 19. 2 significant figures. Now I am mentioning 1 0. Now say me how many significant figures? 190. It is without decimal point. Without decimal point, right side zeros are significant or not significant? They are not significant. Therefore, this 0 I won't count. Therefore, how many significant figures? For 190. For 190, the number of significant figures are 2. Now see one more thing. 1900. How many significant figures? Right side zeros. And there is no decimal point. If there is no decimal point, then right side zeros are not significant. Therefore, how many significant figures? 1, 2. These two zeros are not counted because they are right side and this number is having no decimal point. Therefore, they are not counted. Therefore, significant figures are 2. Now this one, 1900. Now same, how many significant figures? These two zeros are right side and there is a decimal point here. If there is a decimal point, then the right side zeros are significant. Therefore 19, even these two zeros are significant because there is a decimal point. Therefore I should take how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to count these two zeros also because there is a decimal point and the right side zeros are right side. Because when there is a decimal point, these zeros will give me the precision of the instrument. I will say it later. What is meaning of precision? Precision means how the least value the instrument can measure. We will see it detailedly later. Accuracy and precision, we will see it later. Now, like I will say one more example. 0, 2, 0, 0, 1.0. Now, same, how many significant figures? This 0 is left side of the non-zero. Left side zeros are not significant. These two zeros are between two non-zero digits. These two zeros are between two non-zero digits. Then these two are significant figures. This 0 is right side and if there is a decimal point. If there is decimal point, right side zeros are significant. Therefore these are significant figures. Formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same value 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. There is no decimal point now. How many significant figures? This 0 is not counted because there is a left side 0 and these two zeros are counted because between two non-zero digits and this 0. This 0 is the right side and there is no decimal point. If there is no decimal point, right side zeros are not significant. Therefore these zeros are not counted. Therefore how many? Only 4 significant figures. I think these 4 rules are clear. All non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Left side zeros are always non-significant. It may be a decimal point or it may be without decimal point. Left side zeros are always not significant. And zeros right side. If the zeros are right side, then if it is a decimal, if the value is having a decimal point, then those zeros are significant. If those readings are not having decimal point, then right side zeros are not significant. These are the 4 rules and there are 2 more rules, we will see it now. Now see here 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now say me how many significant figures for this? 1. These two zeros are between two non-zero digits, therefore they are significant. These 3 zeros are right side and there is no decimal point. If there is no decimal point, these are not significant. Therefore how many significant figures are there? Only 4 significant figures. And we will call these zeros are trailing zeros. We will call these zeros are trailing zeros. These trailing zeros have no value. Usually in physics, when you take regarding the significant figures, these 3 zeros have no value. Now see here 190 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now say me how many significant figures are there? These 2 are non-zero digits and all these zeros are right side and there is no decimal point. If there is no decimal point, all right side zeros are not significant. Therefore they are not significant. How many significant figures are there for this value? Only 2. And these all right side zeros are known as trailing zeros. That means no meaning at all. Okay, now we'll see the 5th rule. Rule number 5. Okay, rule number 5. The significant figures won't change with change of units. The significant figures won't change when I change the units of the measurement. That means here, example, 32 centimeters. Now if I want to convert into millimeters, how much? 320 millimeters. Even if I am changing the unit from centimeter to millimeter, how many significant figures? 32 means 2. 320 means how many significant figures? This 0 is not counted because this right side is 0 and there is no decimal point. Therefore, how many? 2 significant figures. Now observe carefully. 100. Okay, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. I am converting from meter to centimeter. But here how many significant figures? 1. Here how many significant figures? 1. The significant figures are not changing, even I am changing from one unit to another unit. Now observe, 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? How many meters? 0.01 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meters. I am converting from centimeter to meter. How many significant figures are there? 1. Here how many significant figures are there? Left side zeros. Even there is a decimal point, even there is no decimal point, left side zeros are always not significant. Therefore, how many significant figures? 1. Both are having same significant figures, but units are different. That means if I am changing from one unit to another unit, the significant figures won't change. Now, rule number 6. According to rule number 6, the significant figures which are having power of 10 power x, in the significant figures in the measurement which are having 10 power x, this 10 power x is a not significant figure. That means 3 into 10 power 5. Now how many significant figures are there? 3 into 10 power 5, how many significant figures are there? There is only 3 will be counted, 1. This 10 power 5 has no significant figures. This is not counted as significant figure. Therefore, number of significant figures are 1. Now see here, 0.4 into 10 power 10. How many significant figures? This 10 power 10 has no significant figures. 0.4, I should see only for 0.4. 0 is the left side, therefore it is not counted. Therefore, number of significant figures for the whole value is 1. That means for 10 power x, 10 power x is not at all a significant figure. Now we will see one more thing. 500 into 10 power 20. How many significant figures are there? 10 power 20 is not having any significant figures. Now these zeros are right side. These 2 zeros are right side and there is no decimal point. Therefore these 2 zeros also not significant. Therefore number of significant figures are 1. 14.84 into 10 power 20. How many significant figures? 10 power 20 is not a significant figure. You should not consider it. How many? Only 4. 565 into 10 power minus 10. Even 10 power minus 10 is not a significant figure. X may be positive or negative. It is not a significant figure. How many significant figures are there? Only 2. This is the 6th one. Okay, now we'll see all the rules together. And one more thing to remember, there is some confusion when you are finding the significant figures. Now observe carefully, what is the confusion? Ambiguity. Now see here. 2 into 10 power, 10 power 10. How many significant figures are there? How many significant figures are there? 1 significant figure. No, 2 into 10 power 10 is also nothing but 2.0 into 10 power 10. 2.0 into 10 power 10. Now how many significant figures are there? 2.0, right side 0 and there is a decimal point. Therefore this 0 has to be counted. Therefore significant figures are 2. Now I will take some other value. 2.00 into 10 power 10. How many significant figures? This 10 power 10 is not counted. But these 2 zeros has to be counted. Therefore number of significant figures are 1, 2, 3. Therefore 3. Now see here, the value is same. The value is same. But why the significant figures are changing? Now which is the correct value? If I take like this, there are infinite number of values. But which of the reading is the correct reading? To remove this confusion, they created the formula that is, to find the significant figures, I have to convert the numbers in the form of x into 10 power n form. I have to convert the values in the form of x into 10 power n form. Now see what is the meaning of that. Where x value is lies between 0.5 to 5. This x value has to be lies between 0.5 to 5, that's all. And this n value give me is the order of the number. This n value give me the order of the number. Now observe carefully. 70 into 10 power 20. Now say me how many significant figures are there? How many significant figures? 70 into 10 power 20. The 70 I should convert in the form of between 0.5 to 5. Therefore, what I can write? 0.7 into 10 power 21. 0.7 I should write as 0.7 because the value has to be between 0.5 to 5 only. For 0.7 into 10 power 22. The how many significant figures are there? This is between 0.5 to 5. Therefore, this is a correct value. And this and 22. This 22 will give me the order of the number. Order of the number. Therefore, how many significant figures? The number of significant figures are 1. Therefore, I should convert all the numbers into this form and then I have to find the number of significant figures. So now we'll see here. 5, 8, 2, 4, 0. These are given value. Now they told to find the number of significant figures. Then what is the number of significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are significant figures. But I can convert into another form. What is that? 0.5824 into how many digits? Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore 10 power 5. This value and this value both are same. But I am converting this value in the form of this type, and where this value lies between 0.5 to 5. Therefore, what is the value? 0.5. That means the value is between 0.5 to 5. Therefore, this is a valid format. Now, what is the order of the equation? The order of the equation is 5. The order of the number is 5. Where number of significant figures are how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, number of significant figures are 4. Even if you count here, you will get the same number of significant figures, that is 4. Therefore, if you got any confusion, just convert into this form where x value lies between 0.5 to 5 and where n gives the order of the number. Sometimes they will ask in the questions, what is the order of the number? If you want to find the order, you have to convert into this form. Okay. First we will see the few questions. Observe carefully. Firstly, show me the values. Okay, see here. 5, 8, 2, 4. How many significant figures are there? 4 significant figures because all are non-zero. 5, 8, 2, 4, 0. How many significant figures are there? Right side 0 is not counted if there is no decimal point. Therefore, how many significant figures? 4. 5, 8, 2, 4, 0.0. How many significant figures are there? How many significant figures? 5, 8, 2, 4, 2, 0.0. How many significant figures? The right side 0 with decimal point is counted. Therefore, 5 significant figures. Now 1, 0, 0, 0. How many significant figures? 1000. These 3 zeros are not counted. Therefore, 1 significant figure. Now say me 1000 point. Now say how many significant figures are there? If there is a point, right side zeros are counted. Therefore, how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 0.01480. Now how many significant figures are there? These 2 zeros are not counted because they are left side. And this 0 is counted because there is a decimal point. Therefore, how many significant figures are there? 4 significant figures. Now 52 centimeters. How many significant figures are there? 2. 520 centimeters. How many significant figures are there? This 0 is not counted. Therefore, how many significant figures? 2. 52.00 centimeters. How many significant figures are there? These zeros are counted because there is a decimal point. Therefore, how many? 4. Now 1001000.01. Say me. Now say me. How many significant figures are there? These 2 zeros are not counted because they are left side. These 2 zeros are counted because they are between 2 non-zero digits. And these right side zeros are counted because there is a decimal point. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are significant figures. The number of significant figures are 7. Now 8, 9, 6, 9, 5, 2, 0, 0 meters. Now say me, how many significant figures are there? How many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 2 zeros are counted because this is the decimal point. Therefore, how many? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 significant figures. Now we'll see one more example. 552 into 10 power 10. How many significant figures are there? This 10 power 10 has no significant figures. Therefore 52 how many? Only 2 significant figures. 520 into 10 power 9 significant figures. How many significant figures are there? 520 into 10 power 9. This 10 power 9 has no significant figures. Therefore 520 means I can convert as 520 means how many significant figures? 0 is not counted. Therefore only 2. Now say me 520 point into 10 power 10. How many significant figures are there? This 10 power 10 is not counted. But this 520 point is there. If the point is there, then the right side 0 is counted. Therefore 3 significant figures. I think all the rules are 6 rules are clear. First rule, all non-zero digits are significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Left side zeros are always not significant. Right side zeros are significant if there is a decimal point, or not significant if there is no decimal point. And the system of the number of significant figures won't change when I am converting from one system to one unit to another unit. And 10 power x, this is not a significant figure. It may be anything, it may be 10 power 10, 10 power minus 10, this is not a significant figure. And if I want to find accurately, I have to convert into this form, that is x into 10 power n form, where n gives me the order, where x will give x value has to lies between 0.5 to 25. If I converted the value of x between 0.5 to 5, then n value will give me the order of the number. And in this x, I can find the number of significant figures. Now same with this one. 0.582 into 10 power minus 2. How many significant figures are there? This 10 power 2 has no significant figures. Therefore, how many? The left side 0 is not counted. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number of significant figures are 3. I think these are clear. What are significant figures? Significant figures are nothing but the absolute correct values plus one uncertain number. And these are the rules. And by this we completed the topic, that is significant figures. In next video we will see the rounding of numbers. And if you guys are having any doubt, it may be any topic, it may be 11th, it may be 12th, any topic, please mention in my mail, which is in the description. And within 24 hours you will get the clarification. Thank you.